Hey guys, this is Aaron Thompson, Sapphire, Knoxville, Tennessee. Today we're going to make a Negroni. 3 ingredients, very simple. You can make this at home. You can also order it online from us at sapphireknoxville.com. We'd be happy to send you one your way, right to your door. You've got 3 ingredients: gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. So 1 ounce of each. Here's what we do. Grab your mixing glass. Now, I've got a Yari mixer here from Cocktail Kingdom, but if you want to use just a pint glass, a rock glass, hell, the glass you're going to make it in, that's fine, not a problem. So you can use any kind of gin you like. However, personally, we like to use local gins here as much as we can. Nothing wrong with the big brands, they're fantastic. Tanqueray, Bombay, big shout outs, love you guys. This is Postmodern, Giniferous Gin, right here from Knoxville, Tennessee, down the street. Good friends of ours. Real fresh citrus in this, which is going to be really great for us because we don't have any fresh citrus in the house because we're currently closed for dine-in, so no perishables. But lemon and lime, a little citra hops. It's got some lavender and lots of juniper. So this is going to go really nice. 1 ounce of that. Into the glass we go. Next up, sweet vermouth. Beautiful expression here from Dolan. This is imported by Haas Alpins. Great importer. Shout out to Lee Edwards and Jake Parrott, a couple of our good buddies. 1 ounce of this. Now this is going to give it a nice little light and just beautiful fresh punch that it needs. That's why we like this brand for Negroni. And then last but not least is the Campari. Now, quintessentially, this is probably what people associate a Negroni with. Beautiful red color. This has a lot of orange expression to it, which is really great. It's going to be really great with this gin we have. So, now, ice into the container. And we're just going to spin this around. You can use a spoon at your house if you don't have a mixing spoon, although, again, you can get these from Cocktail Kingdom. Various other websites, I'm sure, but we like those guys. So I like about 30 spins personally. You just realize every time you're spinning it around, you're giving it a little bit more dilution. So you're watering it down, per se, which is a good thing. This is all alcohol. And you're also making it cold. So you kind of just go to the area you like. So I like about 30. Now, fresh ice. You got a big block, that's really nice as well. So take your strainer, if you have one. If not, don't worry about it. Drain it out. Beautiful. And if you've got a fresh orange peel, peel off the orange, try to get as little pith as you can. Squeeze it over, get the little oils in there. Get the aromatics all over the glass. It makes it much better. But if you don't have that, that's okay. You can also do orange bitters as a substitute. If you just gotta have a little bit more orange, you know, it's not perishable. That's the Negroni. You can get this now, the link below. Thank you very much.